Hi guys, this is Mini Divan and you're watching TheHealthSite and India.com. In today's video, I'm going to talk about the beginner's guide for full body workout, which you can also call the functional workout. Functional workout basically involves your entire body but primarily focuses on your core strength and your body's endurance. It will help keep your body active, fit and lead to a healthy lifestyle. So to begin with,
jump squats. Squats in general are great for your core and your lower body. Jump squat is another variation that you can add to your routine to strengthen the lower body. Stand with your feet aligned with your shoulder width apart, toes turned slightly out, squat down with your weight in your heels, stretch your chest, bend your knees while you land. Land softly, then use the momentum from landing to go right to your next squat. Use your hands to push your body so that you can create power and move towards your next squat. Push-up. Push-ups are great for the upper body strength and the core. Face downwards towards the floor with hands slightly wider than the shoulder width. Use your hands and raise your body off the floor. Keep your body in a straight line. Bring it back closer to the floor, bending your elbows and repeat. Technique is the key here. Having the correct form is of utmost importance. For beginners, you can even start with knee push-ups to get a hang of it. Pull-up. Pull-up primarily focus on the upper body strength. All you need is to hang from a pull-up bar by your hands facing the opposite side from the body and lifting your entire body weight with your arm and back muscles. And then gradually stretch it back and repeat the entire process. If it's difficult to perform, you can also use a chair to make it more comfortable. Perform at least 10 repetitions of 3 sets for best results. Burpees. Burpee involve a full body movement. It's a great exercise when it comes to burning calories and to build strength and endurance. Start in a squat position with your knees bent, back straight and your feet about shoulder width apart. Lower your hands towards the feet and kick your feet backwards. Keep your body straight, do 1 push-up and kick back your feet to the starting position. Stand and jump to land back to the first step. Get back in the squat position and repeat. Do at least 10 repetitions of 3 sets for best results. Plank. Plank builds core strength and endurance in the body and is usually performed as a finisher as it stretches the entire body from head to toe. To start, lay backwards with your face and toes towards the floor and your elbows directly under your shoulders. Relax your head and your body, engage your core and lift your body off the floor. Make sure your body is in a straight line. Now hold this position for as long as possible as per your body's strength and endurance. Ideally start by targeting 30 seconds and come back to the original position. Repeat this 3 times for best results.
well, I hope this helps. Don't forget to like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos.